Alrighty, this is part 7, probably day 7, part 5, using this automotive 2-in-1 fillable sander Rustoleum product. This is the primer coat. Say I gave it about 10 minutes. I'm gonna hit it again. Go back a little bit further. A little bit heavier this time. So I'm doing a slight overlap. There we go. Technically, you can probably count that as 4 coats, but I'm going to say put it went in quite nicely. Let that sit up a little bit while longer. Give it another 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Let it dry. And let's see. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll try to zoom in. So you can definitely see that's where the repair is, right in there. And with the Bondo job that I did, actually, you know, as you know, I welded, if you watch all those videos. So I could make that more smoother in my sanding. I can work on my sanding technique and sand a little bit smoother up in there. So, but other than that, with this being that third, fourth coat, if you want to call it, I feel pretty good with it. In terms of it, well, after, you know, 10 more minutes of just letting it set up, I'll see how it feels to the touch. I've been putting a tack cloth in between to collect any dust that's on it, and we'll see how it goes. I might do a light sanding. We'll see. Don't want to sand off what I put on there, but we'll see. Alrighty, so that's it right there. Let me see if you can see it a little bit closer. I don't know if the camera will go out of focus, but that's the area that I'm talking about where I did the metal patch and frame repair. And the paint might cover that, but we'll see. Alright, I'm going to zoom back out. Okay, so this concludes day 7, I think part 5 now. This is the 3rd coat, 3rd/4th coat, and I'll see you in a little bit.